You can have a job, or you can have a career, or you can have a calling. And if you can somehow figure out how to have a calling, you have hit the jackpot, because that's the big deal.
I first made my millions of dollars. The first time I ever became a millionaire was with Webcam Studio.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, this is how I first ever made money. I mean, I was a kickboxing world champion, but kickboxing's not boxing, right?
Yeah.
So I'd make like $100,000 a fight. You fight 2 or 3 times a year. You pay 20% to your manager. You pay taxes, but you're not rich.
So you get like 30 to 40% of money.
Yeah, and I didn't consider myself rich. Like 30, 40 grand chunks, twice a year, maybe 3 times a year. Living in London, rents, need a car. You're trying, you're not rich in any way. And that's actually the reason I retired, because I woke up one day and I thought, I'm giving 6 hours a day of absolute focus and energy to this.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Today we're diving into 10 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. No fluff, just real proven methods to help you earn money with minimal ongoing effort. Let's get started. 1. Dividend stocks.
Well, a dividend-paying investment would be typically what's called a blue chip company, a large company, okay, like a General Motors, okay? They're not usually very exciting in their price changes, up or down, but they make a lot of money.
First up, dividend stocks. These are shares from companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly. You buy the stocks, hold them, and collect dividends, which can add up over time. The key is to choose established companies with a strong history of paying dividends. Apps like Fidelity or Robinhood make it easy to start investing. 2. REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts.
I didn't actually have $150 million in my checking account and then wrote the check for it. We had to go to banks and investors and raise money. Having reached there as a likely exit helps the market and helps the availability of financing.
Next, we have REITs. These are companies that own and manage real estate, and they pay out a portion of their earnings to investors. You don't need to own property, just invest in the REITs and receive dividends. It's an easy way to get into real estate without the hassle. You can start with platforms like Fundrise or Vanguard. 3. Create and sell online courses. Another great passive income idea is creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in any area, be it cooking, marketing, or tech, create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once your course is made, it can sell automatically. It's a great way to monetize your knowledge. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. With peer-to-peer lending, you lend money to individuals or businesses through platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. You earn interest as they pay back the loan. It's a solid way to grow your wealth passively, but be sure to diversify to reduce risk. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is still one of the easiest ways to earn passive income. Promote products or services through affiliate links, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Whether it's on a blog, YouTube, or Instagram, your content keeps earning money long after you post it. 6. Print on demand. Print on demand is perfect if you're creative. You design custom products, and a third-party supplier handles printing and shipping. Platforms like Printful or Teespring make it simple to set up. Once you upload your designs, you can earn passive income with each sale. 7. Drop shipping. Another e-commerce option is drop shipping. You create an online store, list products, and when someone buys, the supplier ships directly to the customer. You don't need to handle any inventory. With platforms like Shopify, it's easy to get started, and once everything's set up, it runs itself. 8. Blog or YouTube channel. Building a blog or YouTube channel can be an excellent source of passive income. Once your content is out there, it works for you 24/7. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. It takes time to build, but once you have an audience, the income can be consistent. 9. Create an app or software. Creating an app or software can be an effective passive income stream. Charge a subscription fee or offer in-app purchases. Once your app or software is developed and marketed, it can generate income automatically. You'll need some technical skills to get started, but the returns can be substantial. 10. Sell digital products. Lastly, digital products like ebooks, templates, or photography can generate ongoing passive income. Once created, these products can be sold over and over with no additional work. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad make it easy to sell digital goods. and you keep 100% of the profits. So there you have it, 10 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. These ideas are tried and tested, and with some effort up front, you can start building a reliable income stream. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more.